I always tell business owners that it's never too late to start building a brand. But maybe I should stop saying that, because there is really a time when it is too late to start building a brand. And that is when you are desperate to make money. Whenever you feel desperate to bring in revenue to your business, you want to use that as a leverage to build your brand, you're already too late to the game. Anytime people feel that, customers are no longer coming in, they are no longer making enough revenue like they used to when they initially launched, or they feel there's nothing really differentiating them from their competitors, that's when they realize, you know what, we don't have a compelling brand. You started building your brand right when you started your business. Whenever you start competing on the same things other businesses compete on, there's very little to differentiate you. Treat your brand, whether your personal brand or your business brand, like having an umbrella. You want to have it and not need it, so that when you do need it, it's simply just switching it on and then you are shielded from the rain.